would like to introduce you to one of America's leading Oriental rug and tapestry experts, Hayko Oltaci.
But everyone calls me Hayko.
An Armenian native from Istanbul, with over 35 years of New York City experience, Hayko is New York's most trusted rug and tapestry expert, especially for antique tribal Oriental rugs. He is passionate about these woven works of history and art. Located just over the Queensboro Bridge from Midtown Manhattan and sandwiched between the legendary Silvercup Film Studios and the PS1 Museum of Modern Art in Long Island City, Queens, Hayko Fine Rugs and Tapestries specializes in sales, restoration, conservation, and cleaning for museums, estates, collectors, decorators, dealers, and the individual. In Hayko's showroom, you will see tapestries and rugs from Persia, the Caucasus, Turkey, Armenia, and the nomadic tribes of the Middle East. Like a fine painting or sculpture, each rug is special, and no two rugs are alike. The combination of colors, patterns, dyes, fibers, and weaving techniques expresses the design, artistry, and culture of where each was made. When you restore or discover the right one, the experience is personal, unique, and intimate. Whether you're furnishing a palace or redecorating a studio apartment, Hayko personally guides you through evaluation and purchase and educates you to understand your rug's history, value, and appreciation potential to ensure that you find what you adore at an affordable price. Trusted, knowledgeable, reliable, skilled. Hayko Fine Rugs and Tapestries, New York City. For more information about Hayko's Fine Rugs and Tapestries, please check out our other informative videos on our website,